Now we are going to discuss about the transport layer in computer networks. In this video, we are going to cover about the introduction of transport layer, key responsibilities of the transport layer services, and error and flow control. And at last, we see the summary of the transport layer. So the introduction of the transport layer. The transport layer is the fourth layer in the OSI system, OSI model, sitting between the network layer and the session layer. In TCP/IP model, it corresponds to the transport layer as well as through TCP or AP. It has only four layers stored. Purpose. The main purpose of the transport layer is to provide end-to-end communication between processes running on different hosts, while the network layer handles data transfer between devices. The transport layer ensures data delivery between applications on those devices. So let us discuss about main functions of the transport layer. Transport layer provides many functionalities. Let us discuss some of them. Segmentation and assembly. The layer divides large message from the application layer into smaller segments for transmission. Next one is end-to-end communication. It ensures communication between processes, not just devices. Uses port numbers to identify sending and receiving processes. Next one is connection control. It can provide connection oriented communication like TCP or connection communication like UDP. Connection oriented means a logical path is established before the data transfer. Next, the flow control prevents the sender from overwhelming the receiver by controlling the rate of data transmission. TCP uses sliding window technique for this. The last one is error control. Ensures reliable delivery of data by using acknowledgements, retransmissions, and checksums to detect and correct the errors. So these are the main functions of the transport layer. Next, let us discuss about the transport layer services. The transport layer provides two main types of services. First one is connected oriented service and then connectionless service. Connection oriented service is more reliable than connectionless service because it establishes a logical connection before data transfers, ensures reliable, ordered, and error-free delivery, provides flow control and congestion control. Examples of TCP are transmission control protocol. Connectionless services. No prior connection is established, faster but unreliable. Data may be lost or arrive out of order. Suitable for applications, needed speed over reliability. Examples of connectionless services, user datagram protocol. Coming to the error and flow control in transport layer, error control. Error control is the process of detecting and correcting errors that occur during data transmission to ensure reliable communication between sender and receiver. It uses checksum to detect errors. Acknowledgements and retransmission ensures reliable delivery, mainly in TCP. Next one is flow control. Flow control is a technique used to manage the rate of data transmission between sender and receiver, ensuring that the sender does not overwhelm the receiver. It prevents sender from sending too much data before the receiver is ready. It is implemented via sliding window mechanism in TCP. So, the summary of the transport layer. As we discussed earlier, the transport layer is the fourth layer of the OSI model and is responsible for end-to-end communication between applications on different hosts. This layer handles key functions such as segmentation and assembly, flow control, error control, connection management, multiplexing and demultiplexing. These functions are handled using port numbers. The transport layer provides two types of communication server. First one is connection oriented service, and next one is connectionless service. Connection oriented service is more reliable than the connectionless services. TCP comes under the connection oriented services. It ensures reliable data transfers through acknowledgements, retransmissions, and congestion control mechanisms. User datagram protocol comes under the connection services, provides faster communication with minimal overhead, suitable for real-time applications like streaming and gaming. So this is the summary of transport layer. Thank you.